Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Friday. Well, today as you can see we have another unbagging. That means we have another review. So let's get this open and see who this bag is from and what's inside. Well, we have cross stitch. Get rid of that padded bag. All right, this bag comes from PaintSomeWay, and if they have any specials or any discount codes, or if I have any discount codes, it'll be right in here. So let's get the first one out of the bag. All right, I am back, and the first one is a 50 by 50. It's a Yishu. And it was $10.99, but isn't that pretty? All that blue and white. And there, I guess, a little pink. I don't know if there's purple in there. I hope this turns out this color, considering that last cat that we had. This has 40 colors, and it looks a little confetti to me. Let me get it undone. Okay. And it does have the instructions on how to start, how to finish. Let's see what colors we have. We have no 310 black. We do have 550 purple. We have 823 and 939 for darks. No 3371. And we have 3865 for a white. But kind of a small pattern. But it does look a bit confetti for what it is. But 40 colors in blue shades, this will be different. All right, let's move the canvas. It does come with a tool bag with 5 needles, football thimble, and needle threader. So that's good. And the colors are all on thread drops. Let me get it out of. All right, so I got it out of its bag there. There's your 3865. Lots and lots of shades of beautiful blue. You even have peacock blue. I'm looking to see if we have 966? 996. Let me look. Nope. None of that beautiful turquoise that I like. But we have some reds, but the rest of it is blue. And in there somewhere is 939. But yeah, very pretty. I don't know what that color's. Look at how green it looks. And usually it doesn't look like that. Maybe because it's next to the purple. I have no idea. No, this is 3756. No wonder it didn't look like 3865. Back here is 3865. So that's kind of a pale mint green. Get that rubber band. Oh, that's exceptional. I just broke the rubber band. Awesome. Stuff happens. Let me get it back in its bag so it doesn't go crazy and everywhere. And we will look at the canvas. And this is an 11 count. I don't know if I said that. It is serged all the way around. Nice big canvas. Very good serging on the sides. It doesn't go into those numbers, so you have no problem, you know, matching to the thread tabs. And the paper pattern will match the canvas. And this way, it is 50 centimeters or almost 19 3/4 inches by 49.5 centimeters or 19.5 inches. The actual picture size is a little over 17 inches or almost 43.5 centimeters by 44 centimeters or almost 17.5 inches. So very nice, very well printed. I'll show you that here in a sec. And it's good size, I mean, and it's full coverage. That background, what color is that? 3865. But it's all evenly spaced, so it's not like a great big background. So, yeah, I think it will be pretty. All right, and the next one that I got is a repeat. It is the Golden Silk Dragon, 51 by 68, and it's by Mona Lisa, $13.99. And the reason that I got this was because I want to finish that dragon, and I'm scared to death of running out of thread. So, especially since it's silk, and you've seen this before. Isn't it pretty? It is just gorgeous. I just love it, and it's very easy to stitch on, so if you want something easy and silk, that would be the one. It does have a lovely, nice, big paper pattern, and it has 20 colors, and this comes in silk, and it comes in DMC cotton as well. It does have instructions, but as I said before, I wish they would put instructions on whether or not, or, you know, what the washing instructions are, and if you're able to, like, press it out if you have to. I don't know with that silk what that would do. It's not really silk, it's rayon. So, yeah. But I will question somebody when I email them back. Now, this does have 3 needles, poof ball thimble, and needle threader, sorry. And over here, well, I can get everybody going in the right direction. Such pretty colors, nice, vibrant, beautiful colors. I'm just afraid I'm going to run out, but that's my own paranoia. And I'm sure that they would send it, you know, where I got the kit from. That's not a problem. I'm just not the waiting type. So, yeah. But beautiful, beautiful, bright, shiny colors. And it does come with a pack with, let's see, 310 black and 3 other shades of orange in that. Let me see if you can see it. No, you can't see it any better that way. But very, very pretty. So, beautiful, beautiful colors. See what this canvas looks like. I may, like, salvage this canvas and use it for something else. There are 2 more needles, which I'm going to get a hold of right this second and put in this bag. I don't know why. Some of them do and some don't. I don't know why they do that, but, you know, it is what it is. But this is very well printed. Nice, big, huge key. Serged all the way around. This does have a little bit of a salvage edge. So they should give you more. Whoops. I'm looking at the bottom, but it doesn't have the numbers like the issue does. It's 51.5 centimeters or 20.25 inches by 66 centimeters or 26 inches. The actual picture size is, looks like 56.5 centimeters or 22.25 inches. By 40.5 centimeters or almost 16 inches. Is that 16 by 20? Yeah. Or thereabouts close. But very beautiful pattern. And it's very simple, very easy. There's no confetti in this at all. And it's really been a joy to stitch on. I really like this kit. In fact, I have it in DMC and in the silk. I wanted it to be silk. The first time I bought it as DMC cotton floss, And the second time I thought it would look better in silk. So that's why we got the kit. So now we have 3 copies of this. That is all I got from PaintSomeWay. Thank you, PaintSomeWay, for sending me these 2 beautiful, gorgeous kits. I do appreciate it. Now, PaintSomeWay has diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by number. They have tools and crafts for all of that. And as I said in the beginning, if they have any specials or if I have any discount codes, I will put those in the beginning and in the description box below. They also have beaded cross stitch. I think most of them are getting that now, and I can't remember if they have custom or not. I've never checked that out there. Let me see. Yeah, they have custom in cross stitch and diamond painting only. Yeah, diamond painting only, no paint by number. Alright guys, thank you for joining me today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.